Hi everyone, I'm Farah and today we're going to set up Kali Linux on our computer. So if you're not very familiar with Kali Linux, it's essentially an operating system that is based on Debian Linux, since most of Kali Linux features originate from Debian Linux. So Kali Linux is very well known for its penetration testing features, which means finding weaknesses in the system. And now let's get started. First, you want to make sure that the BIOS system allows virtualization. You can essentially type your laptop model plus how to enable virtualization on BIOS system. Once you've done that, you need to now install VirtualBox, which will hold our Kali Linux. Make sure to select the right version according to your computer's specification, which you can check from your settings. Next, we need to download VirtualBox extension pack. So after we download VirtualBox 7.0.6, I'm gonna click next, and next. Really, there's nothing. And after that, we're gonna wait for it to download, and that should be everything. After that, we head over to Kali Linux in the original website and select VirtualBox. Again, make sure that it is the right compatible version to your computer. Now we head to the installer images section and download installer. And once you click on it, it should open up your file folder and locate you to where it was downloaded. So we're now going to go to 7-zip and download the Windows x64, since that's compatible to my laptop. And we wait until it downloads and then we press install. Now we're going to try and search for 7-zip archiver from our search box in our laptop, and then once we open it, then that's fine. We're good to go. So then we're going to go to VirtualBox and click on New to create our virtual machine, and we're gonna give it a name. You can call it Kali Linux or wherever you want, and we're gonna go to the ISO image, click on the file that we downloaded. So it's actually like a white file with a disk shape, and if you pressed on it or like you hovered over with your mouse, it's gonna appear with an ISO name type of file. So click on that, and we're gonna click on Debian 64-bit for the version, and the type of course is Linux since it's Kali Linux. Now we're gonna press on the expert mode. Now we're going to increase the base memory to 4096. As long as it's in the green area range, then that's fine. And for the processors, I picked 4 processors. We're going to want to create a virtual hard disk now, and we're going to give it 20 gigabytes. Really, it's not going to use all of that, but that's just the maximum really. And we're going to select the hard disk file type, which should be VDI, and we're gonna press finish, and we should be able to start our machine. So we're gonna click start, and we're gonna wait a little bit because it's gonna take some time. We're gonna click on graphical install, since that's easier to navigate through the settings of Kali Linux. And we should select the languages that we're most familiar with. So I'm going to select English, and we click continue. For the location, you can select wherever you are. So yeah, And I'm gonna select my British English for the keyboard, since that's my keyboard. And we're gonna wait a bit. And now we're going to configure our network, so we can really enter a name that we want, like any name is fine, as a host name. So I'm gonna enter my name, and for the domain name you can just enter just a random name. Really, you don't have to overthink it. I'm gonna put a really normal username for my new user's name, and for the password you just can make a strong password. We're gonna wait. So now we're gonna be asked about partition disks, and we're gonna click on the guided use entire disk. And now we're gonna click finish partitioning and click on continue, and then yes for write changes for disk. And then we're gonna wait until the base system is installed. And for the software selection, you're gonna click on the first two options and the last three options, and then click continue. Then we're gonna wait until the software is installed. And for the GRUB bootloader, we're gonna select the second option, which is really random letters written. Just click the second option, and then we're gonna wait until the installation is finished. And then we're going to have a login page for the Kali Linux, which means that we successfully installed Kali Linux on our virtual machine. And now we're gonna log in with the username and the password that we've created previously. And now we're gonna open Firefox, Mozilla, and Google some stuff. Maybe try and open Hack the Box challenges from Hack the Box Academy. And from there you can have your own command line terminal and solve challenges from your command line terminal instead of using the pound boxes that are offered by Hack the Box. The same thing applies for Try Hack Me, where you can solve many challenges there without having to worry about having simulated virtual machines from Try Hack Me, but you can use your own. And also another website is War Games Over the Wire. It's really great website if you wanted to practice your command line terminal skills. And that's all for today. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone that wants to learn how to create a virtual machine. Also, comment down below any struggles you faced or are facing from creating a virtual machine, and any tech topics you want me to cover in the next video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!